Now in this case, I've got a little crease right here in the body, which is a great place to get a plastic trim tool in. And I'm always going to use plastic on this because what I don't want to do is scratch up my paint. So if need be, you could always use a microfiber rag underneath your plastic trim tools as well. But then you're just going to want to just work it, start popping those clips free. Once you have enough off, you can just use your hands and walk down the line and pop them off one at a time, just like that. Okay. So now when you look, so you can see these little posts, and the new one comes with new posts as well, which is good because a couple just stayed behind. If you look, the center ones came out, but you can still see the little white plugs of the previous still left here. So make sure and go ahead and take it. If you have any that stayed behind, make sure to pull those out. When you get that done, you're going to take the new one, and it comes with its own bag. So I'm not going to reuse those posts. I'm going to use new ones. They slide in all these slots. You just reverse it into the correct orientation in this case, line up the holes, and just smack it down into place. It really is that simple. Okay, so I'm going to grab my plastic trim tool, get these these plastic ribs out, put the new ones in. I'll show you that, and then you're going to be done. All right, so just have all 6 of these little white posts in place. You can just take it and line them up with the holes in the body. You'll feel when they'll start to slot in. If you have to, you can move it around a little bit to make sure that they slot in nicely. But you should feel them go right into the existing holes. So this one, yeah, there we go. And then once they're in place, bang, just clip it right into place just like that. Make sure that it's down nice and flush. The back lip kind of wants to hold up a little bit, so just make sure that that's pressed down nicely. Like that, and good to go. So bang, you've got your refresh or you've got your upgrade. Looks really good. If you haven't done the other side yet, make sure to go ahead and do that. And then you're all done.